Namaste, my name is Rui Zimmer, I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak about the harder you try, the worse it gets. These are the insights of the legendary Samurai Myanmoto Musashi, who won every duel, was famous for his two swords fighting. In a world that teaches us to push harder, there lies a paradox that many of us fail to recognize. Often the harder we try, the worse it gets. A counterintuitive notion that challenges everything. We've been taught about effort and determination in today's world. We are often led to believe that the path to success is paved with relentless effort. That we must push ourselves to our limits in order to achieve our goals. But what if this is not true or even is counterproductive? If we understand that the great samurai had encountered so many battles, combat and wars than hardly anybody before or afterward, which wisdom he had to survive and win. His path to success doesn't involve straining ourselves to the breaking point. How can we handle our challenge effectively? And now comes. His first strategy is wu by, or to do by not doing. This means this is do it and you don't think about that. No? Means this for instance, doing all of the heart. No? Second, we should master our emotions, thoughts and actions. Yay! This means we develop discipline, focus and continuous self-improvement. The best fighter is always calm, and less is much more. This makes too much sense, I know. The principles of the great samurai are to be effective and efficient and not to waste energy, effort and resources. For him it was crucial. The highest principle is to be in the flow when acting. Being in the flow means acting effortlessly and relaxed so that you are most effective and fully immersed in the present moment. If we run against a wall again and again, don't get things done, consider, is our goal really so important that we get fanatic to accomplish it? So the more we build up tension in our body, soul and mind, the more ineffective and inefficient we become. The best example is the war in the Ukraine. From the beginning it was for me damn clear Ukraine will lose. And I could not believe that anybody thought the opposite thing. It's for me just madness, insanity to think opposite. We have to compromise and be flexible and adaptive to get the things done. That is all true for Putin. No? Dumping our energy, money and resources in useless efforts to get things done is stupid. That is all about Zelensky. Again, the first principle is that we are relaxed and open to new solutions, that we adapt to the situations to get the things done. And the highest goal is even that we are in the flow with all of our intention and doing. Otherwise, we will not be in harmony with the world or our doing and our environment and become inefficient. Imagine, do you really think that it matters on your deathbed that you have accomplished what you have accomplished and what you want to accomplish? The second principle of the great samurai was unattachment. This is true also for Krishna. He has taught unattachment. Be not attached and fully present and engaged without being controlled by your desires, fears, or expectations. Giving your best without being consumed by your desires. This is so awesome stuff, what nearly no Westerner can understand. But now you have this the idea from the great samurai. We are just so damn stupid compared to him. For instance, you design a new device as an engineer or paint a picture. Do you think that it is efficient to think all the time about your goal setting to make the best? For sure not. You are focused on the work and do the work at best. That means we are in the flow. So I have worked as an engineer and I was immersed totally in the work. And people were coming to me and I even could not recognize them. And then magic can happen. Thank you that I could speak to you, and bye.